My name is Anna Copes. I'm the occupational therapist here at Iosco RESA, and I've been here about 24 years. Occupational therapy by nature helps people with the skills they need for the activities they do in life. So that can be anything from daily living skills like carrying their lunch tray or getting their coat on to go to recess, or in school we do a lot of writing and cutting and those kind of things. So helping kids learn those skills that they need to do to be successful in the school day. Some of the activities we do this year, I'm pushing into the classroom a lot more, especially in kindergarten, as the kindergartners are learning how to hold pencils and how to use scissors and those kind of things. So I'm pushing in and helping the kids just within the classroom doing those activities. Some of my direct kids that I pull out, we might be specifically working on sometimes handwriting. We also work with kids with sensory issues that need, they might need sensory diets or sometimes specialized equipment. So a lot of times I have got to work with kids from very little in their home, like we start during early on years. And so less than 3 years old, I've been able to start with kids in their home. We've had a couple that have had some pretty significant like physical disabilities that when I met them as babies, really couldn't move at all. And one of those is now a 4th grader who not only walks, he's writing despite limited movement in his arms. Getting to watch that progression and get to be part of that is just, it's amazing. I love working in Northern Michigan because one, it's beautiful. We have an amazing town here. I also love the quaintness of the small town. You develop those relationships, you get to see them out in the community and in other opportunities where I feel like in a bigger area or city, you wouldn't necessarily get those same opportunities to interact and engage with your students and their families.